To feel love and compassion for all, observe nature with totality of mind, without letting it affected by any previously constructed image, opinion, or knowledge. Look around to observe things as if you are seeing them for the first time. The sun provides light and warmth, irrespective of who benefits from it. The clouds, rivers, mountains, and jungles follow the same example of universal love. Trees provide shade, fruit, and flowers for a healthy environment, and food for the hungry with the same unattached benevolence for all. The earth matures the seeds into healthy plants, irrespective of who planted the seeds or who will benefit from them. This is like mother's love. If one learns from nature, a new era of mutual love and trust will dawn on earth. Imagine the blissful feeling one gets when listening to the chirping of birds at dawn, observing the rivers flowing its course, looking at the snow-clad peaks of mountains, taking a stroll in a forest with tall trees, and looking at the moon on a full moon night. The divine feelings generated by such experiences compel one to ponder over the meaning of life. The main cause of discontent of mind, heart, and spirit is to spend too much time indoors and being away from the nurturing, restorative powers of nature. So, try to get back to nature. In some way, you will feel more complete, rejuvenated, and blissful.